Here is another fraction to try, and you can see 1 over 4 divided by, then in the bracket you have 2 over 3 multiplying 2 whole numbers 7 over 8 minus 1 plus 3 over 4. So this bracket, this closes this bracket, while this closes this bracket. Alright, let's dive into the solution. First of all, you have 1 over 4 divided by 2 over 3. Now 2 whole number 7 over 8 minus 1 is 1 whole number 7 over 8. It's more like you're removing 1 from 2 and then just add it to 3 over 4. So you're left to sort out this bracket, and that gives you, I'm having to write everything out again. You would want to make these a single fraction, and you have 8 times 1 plus 7, that's 15 over 8, and plus 3 over 4. Moving further, you will have 1 over 4 divided by 2 over 3. Now the LCM of the denominator is 8. And so 8 into 8, you have 1 times 15 plus 4 into 8 is 2. 2 times 6, 2 times 3 is 6. Close it up. Because in continuation, you have 15 plus 6 giving you 21 over 8, and then you're multiplying it by 2 over 3. And then you have 1 over 4 divided by. Now you observe the numerator and denominator and check which has anything in common. So 2 and 8 have 2 in common. 2 will go into 2 ones and into 8 4 times. Also 3 goes into 3 ones and into 21 7 times. That leaves you with 7 over 4. And then move on, you have 1 over 4. Now if it becomes multiplication, then you take the reciprocal of the owner. It's more like we're seeing 7 over 4 as the owner of the possessor of the division sign. So it becomes multiplication as you have 4 over 7, the reciprocal of 7 over 4. Now check again, you can see 4 and 4 at the numerator, and at the denominator you have such. And since you're multiplying, you don't need to find the LCM. It's not the right part. So you cancel out 4 goes into 4 ones and into these 4 ones. That leaves you with 1 over 7.